Step one in this tiny house drawing is we're taking the concept of them shipping containers and turning them into a livable house. So we're going to use a footprint of a shipping container. You can modify to have an upper level and a porch. You can keep it kind of plain as the picture shows, or you can kind of be inventive with your finished product. So I'm going to begin by drawing a rectangle that's exactly 20 feet by 8 feet. From here we want to use the offset tool to make this inner line the wall thickness of 3 inches. 20 feet, 8 feet, and then offset a 3-inch inner line. So again, let's just use the offset tool. I'll show you that here quick. 20 by 8, then kind of hover, click drag, 3 enter. That's step one. Step two is to go over to the classroom. I mapped out on the floor that 20 by 8 foot zone. Walk around the floor, kind of get the feel of how big or small the space is going to be. From here we got to find somewhere to have a sleeping area, an eating area, a relaxing area, and a washing area. So I got one started over here. I kind of envision this being my main entrance to the tiny house. I want my relaxing area here. So you can walk in, throw your coat, throw your hat, throw your boots, mittens, gloves, scarf, whatever, and a little chair here maybe. Kind of walk in through a little walkway into maybe a kitchen area, into maybe an eating area. And I'm going to have like a double decker back here. I'm having below space be my washing area, maybe a bathtub, a shower, sink, and above it my sleeping area. So I kind of went to the floor and figured out how much space I need for my everything to happen. So I kind of mapped out, I'm using a 4-foot wide area for my zone because I walked the floor, looked around, figured 4 feet works for what I need. So I mapped things out according to that. From here we're going to go to a 3-dimensional view of it, which is here, in which I kind of made the walls have some height. We can now see my doorway. I gotta get the top of the door drawn here. That's the part's missing. If you walk into my little tiny house, you can walk into, which is gonna be maybe a little eating area, maybe a little countertop. So windows looking out here, into a kitchen area. To my, under here is gonna be my little washing area. Then up the stairs to a sleeping area. So again, begin by getting your basic drawing of the 20 by 8, 3 inches wide for the walls. Figure out where your zones are going to be. Again, the 4 main zones are the sleeping, the washing, eating, and relaxing. From here we go to 3-dimensional and start mapping out some of the doors and windows and getting them accurate. A couple things I'm going to worry about here is just keeping the heights consistent. Typically the height of a door, height of a window should be similar in size. Let's get my door fixed here, it's kind of bothering me. That door piece back. I want that. This can go away. And then I'll get this. There it is. Don't need that or that. Oops. That one. Okay. So there we have our door. That's part one. When this part's done, we'll go on to part number 2.